right. Today, we have a box here, and this is the Dreame H13 Pro Vacuum Cleaner. So the Dreame H13 Pro Vacuum can not only clean with water, but it can do as a traditional vacuum as well. So it's got two features. So let's go ahead and get it open. We have our knife here. Go ahead and open it. We also have a couple helpers that are gonna be watching, and we're open. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, it's a stand-up vacuum. Some instructions on the front. Just kind of getting started and how it works. We have a box here. A lot of little boxes actually. Looks like it's used to clean. Very important instruction manual. Oh boy, there are pieces here. So this looks like it's one of the mops that it uses to clean. We have a filter. We need that piece, guys. You're not helping me very much. Here, hold this. We have another box, and it is the handle. Okay, definitely need this part. So guys, please don't hide this. It's not a stick. It is the cleaning surface, the multi-surface floor cleaner. So carefully. Perfect. And that is it. Let's get here. What is this? I believe this is the dock, and there's a hole on the top and there's a pole. So I imagine that this goes in the top. H13 Pro from Dreame.